Hello, this is the genuinely approachable Sudoku for the 2nd of February 2024. It is XV Pair Sudoku by Clover. So let's look at the rules. Normal Sudoku rules apply, so place the digits 1 to 9 in every row, every column, and every 3x3 box. Digits separated by an X sum to 10, so these two digits for example, sum to 10, these two sum to 10, and so on. Digits separated by a V sum to 5, so these digits sum to 5, these digits sum to 5, and so on. Not all possible X's and V's are given, so that means if there is no letter between them, they could sum to anything, including 5 and 10. Okay, so those are the rules. With that, let us begin solving. Now, digits can sum to 5 in one of two ways, 1, 4, and 2, 3. We know that this cannot be a 1, 4 because of the 1 already in the box, so this must be a 2, 3, which can be disambiguated by that. Alright, same for this over here. Can't be a 2, 3 because of the 2 there. It must be 1, 4, which we can disambiguate. We can do the same here basically. 1, 4 here means that has to be 2, 3. Although we can't really disambiguate that, we can do the same for this one. This one has to be 1, 4 because it can't be 2, 3. So it has to do that. And we can actually fill in this digit because these also sum to 5. We can do the exact same thing here and say that this can't be 1 and 4, so it must be 2 and 3. And those are all the V's taken care of. Right. I can tell you where 5 goes in this box. 5 can't be here, and 5 also cannot be next to an X. It actually can't be next to V because 5 will need to add with 0. It can't be next to X because 5 will need to add with itself to make 10, which isn't possible, you know, by the row and by the column. So 5 here can't be in those cells. It can't be next to the X as well, so it must be in one of those cells. That means this can't be 5. This cell means those can't be 5. 5 can't be next to X's, so 5 goes there. Which means that 5 has to be one of these cells in box 1, because it can't be there and it can't be next to X. So 5 is now in one of those cells. What we might be able to do something similar, maybe. Not sure though. Okay. Right. We can actually figure this one out because 10 can be made in 4 different ways. It can be made with 1, 9, 2, 8, 3, 7, or 4, 6. But it cannot be it cannot have 1, 2, or 3 in it, so it can only be 4 and 6. This one, right, this set cannot be 2, 8, cannot be 4, 6, and cannot be 3, 7. So it must be 1, 9, which we can disambiguate. So that's 1, 9 over there. The remaining cells are 2, 5, 5, 7, and 8. Those cells are not 5, so not 7, so 7 goes there. I am tripping over my words today. Wow. We can do the same here, where 4, 1, and 2 means that this has to be 3, 7, which we can disambiguate. 7, 3. Actually, this 4 disambiguates this 6, 4 as well. This cannot be 1, 9, 3, 7, or 4, 6, so it must be 2 and 8. Which eliminates 8 from that cell, so that's 5, that's 8. Those digits have to be 9 and 6, right? 6 and 9. Oh, nice. This 6 disambiguates that. Next, those digits have to be 5, 7, and 4. 4 come in those cells, so 4 goes there. This is a 5, 7 pair. Those digits have to be 2, 8, and 9. And the only set that forms 10 will be 2 and 8, which is disambiguated by this 2 over here. So that's 8, that's 2, that is 9. These cells are 5, 3, and 7. 3, 5, 7. And that's not 5. Okay, this set over here, right, because of the 2, 3, it can't be 2, 8, or 3, 7. It can't be 4, 6, so it is 1, 9, which we can disambiguate because of this 1, 9 here. Actually, we do know this cell here forms a 10 with that cell, so it must be either 7 or 8, right? Because 7 is with 3, 8 is with 2. But because of the 7 here, this has to just be 8, which must be next to 2, which must be next to 3. This one, yeah, it can't be 2, 8, 3, 7, or 4, 6, so it is 1, 9, which we can resolve. The remaining cells here are 6, 7, and 8, which I don't see anything for yet. That can't be 8 though. Right, so this row, oh sorry, this 7 actually sees that, so that's 6. Oopsies. So to finish that row, we have a 3, I think. Those digits would have to be 2, 2 and 9. What am I doing? 2 and 9. And up here we have 5, 6, and 4. 4, 5, 6. That is not 4. And in fact, those 3 digits have to be 5, 6, and 8 to complete the column. And actually 8 come in those cells. It forms a 5, 6 pair, so 8 must be there. I guess this 6 can also bring you to an 8 there. That resolves this, which is good. Now let's do this one. Can't be 1, 9, 4, 6. Oh, could be other things though. At first glance, I guess. This has to be 4, 6, and 8. This can't be 6 or 8, so that's 4. This can't be 8, so that's 6. That's 4. Sorry, that's 8. Whoops. Alright. Can we do anything about that now? Maybe. 3 resolves this 2, 3 pair, which removes 3 from that cell. 3 in this box can only be there. Right, so now this can't be a 3, 7 pair. So it must be a 2, 8 pair, which we can resolve. This has to be 8, that has to be a 2. This 8 removes this 7, 8 here. This 3 removes 3 there, which means 3 in this box must just be there. 5, 7 pair, we'll resolve that later. This is 1, 9, and 7. The only set that fulfills that is 1 and 9. 7 therefore goes up there, which resolves this 5, 7 pair. Those digits have to be 2 and 4. Okay. Those are 1, 9, and 7. Those are 1... Alright, sorry, no, this 9 sees that, so that's 1. That's 9. Those are not 9. Therefore, those have to be... 5 and 6. But before we resolve that, this 1 resolves this 7, 1 pair, which doesn't do much, but okay. Cool that we have that, I guess. To finish this row, we have 5, 6, and 7. This can't be 7. Oh, actually, yeah, no, this is 5 or 6, right? To complete the column, it's 5 or 6. This is a 5, 6, or 7. This digit is therefore a 9 to complete the box. So those digits have to be 5, 6, and 8. This now can't be 8. And so this 5, 6 pair means 8 must go there. This 5, 6 pair here means that must be a 7, which resolves this 5, 7 pair, which resolves this 6, 5 pair, which resolves this 6, 5 pair. Very nice. And then that cascades all the way. 5 and 6 means that's a 4. This can't be 6 or 4, so that's 5. That's 6. 4 resolves this 2, 4 pair, which resolves this 9, 2 pair. Those digits have to be 3 and 9, which we can just resolve. Solving the puzzle in 7 minutes and 26 seconds. Oh, that was fun. I hope you enjoyed that puzzle. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.